electric scooters are quickly rising in popularity all over the world, making daily commutes more fun and eco-friendly. However, most electric scooters on the market are targeted towards commuters, and not enough towards the action sports community. That is why Splatch is proud to introduce the all-new Transformer, a transformable motorbike-like electric scooter designed for motorbike enthusiasts for stylish commutes and weekend daredevils. Transformer's mighty torque can accelerate the scooter up to 24 miles per hour within 4 to 6 seconds. The patented proprietary motor operates independently, maxes out at 960 watts, and it can effortlessly power through hills with 28% incline. Rough terrains are no match for the Transformer's superior dual suspension system, creating an ultra-smooth riding experience. Its low center of gravity allows riders of any size to share the same thrilling experience. Transformer optimizes the rider's weight distribution, ensuring stability and easy maneuvering on the road. The hydraulic front suspension system makes it more responsive for the rider to help maintain control over their ride. The unique truss design with durable steel construction gives the Transformer the strength to rip through gravel, grip onto snow, and withstand huge jumps. The 10 by 2.5 inch pneumatic fat tires allow you to shred on any terrain without compromising comfort. And the dual wave brake discs prevent the discs from overheating, which means the fun never ends. Transformer comes with various options for customization. It includes a long stem and a short stem, allowing the rider to stand and take in the scenery, or sit back and enjoy the ride. The patented Easy Swap pneumatic tires are interchangeable, meaning you can choose between road bike tires or off-roading tires. You can even customize the look of the Transformer with different kits and colors to match your visual style. Our 48-volt and 10.2 amp-hour battery is suitable for most riders' daily commute and can travel up to 22 to 25 miles on one charge. It can easily be swapped with another battery within 7 seconds and takes up to 5 to 7 hours to charge. Transformer has safe wiring and is IPX4 waterproof, and the color, temperature, and brightness of lights conform to German ST VZO safety standards, guaranteeing safety and legality. Splatch's Transformer brings out the soul of high-tech avant-garde and city mobility with its stunning visuals and versatility. So what are you waiting for? Come get your adrenaline pumping and get ready to take on the world.